Stelbi intends to bring innovation and technology in water systems. What does N-TOUCH do? N-TOUCH completely inverts the logic of traditional systems by managing the water parameters like temperature and flow at the starting point, not at the final point as it happens today in traditional tap systems. Today we will go together through the complete N-TOUCH system. Each N-TOUCH installation starts with the N-TOUCH base, where you will have to bring hot and cold water. Hot and cold water needs to be brought only once at the base of the collector, while in a standard tap installation, hot and cold water needs to be brought to each basin, to each shower, to each bathtub. The base is equipped with two outlets, one for hot water that can be used for recirculation, one for cold water that can be used for a WC, a terrace shower, or for any simple cold water outlet point. These two outlets can also be used combined together, and in this case you can manage a standard tap water point like a laundry, a kitchen or a maid's room. After having installed the base, we start to impile our smart electrovalves. The number of electrovalves depends on the number of water points you have to manage. The hot and cold water mixing starts taking place here, and then it flows through the whole N-TOUCH system. This allows you to distribute water by single pipe. Each smart electrovalve will mix hot and cold water for you, and then the premixed water will be distributed by single pipe. If you use the Stelbi pipe, your life will be easier because it's a retractable pipe with quick connections. So you don't need any tools to fix it or to remove it. Talking about the electrical connections, you will feed only the first electrovalve with the cable coming from the transformer. It's a low voltage cable, 0.15 volts. Then, in parallel, we feed all the other electrovalves. If you choose the Stelbi pre-assembled solution, we will pre-assemble all the valves in the suitable box and we will pre-wire the whole system for you. N-TOUCH system stops the water pressure here, so when the display is in off position, the water pressure stops here. In case you pierce a pipe by mistake or you have a damaged flexible hose, you will not be flooded. The use of the N-TOUCH display is very simple. Switch on, increase and decrease temperature, decrease and increase water flow by clicking on the sticks or simply by scrolling them. The button cold water only allows you to avoid any inadvertent demand of heat to your heat generator. By pressing it again, you go back to mixed water. Switch off the system. Each display can be customized. By pressing for 5 seconds the button plus, you will access the menu. The menu allows you to preset the timer of the flow. Today I will preset 10 seconds for you. The maximum temperature allowed can also be preset. Today I will put 40 degrees for you. Even the water flow rate in liters per minute can be adjusted from a minimum of 3 to a maximum of 20. Today I will preset 10 liters per minute. Also the language can be changed, but in this case today I will leave it in English. As you can see, I am able to increase the temperature, but the system does not allow me to go above 40 degrees. The flow rate is working from minimum 3 to maximum 10 liters per minute. And thanks to the timer, the system will switch off after 10 seconds automatically. For luxury showers and luxury bathtubs, you can install two displays to manage two different water outlets. This will allow you to have two different temperatures and two different flow rates at the same time. If you prefer, you can also manage two different water outlets with only one display. In this case, instead of one of the two displays, you simply install a manual diverter. The substitution of the N-TOUCH display is very simple. You remove it by acting on the two lower flaps. Then you remove the rubber protection and you unplug it. Now you are ready to fix the new display. You plug it. You fix again the rubber protection, which makes it waterproof. And finally, you fix it back to the wall. And you're ready to go. For a major comfort, N-TOUCH is equipped with batteries, allowing you to use the system even in case of power failure. N-TOUCH is safe. It does not require any electric certificate. The whole system works low voltage 0-15 volts. Each display can be installed in showers and bathtub and can work with wet hands without affecting the user's safety.